Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to color in Krita. First, let's get familiar with the workspace. You'll find the color selector panel, usually on the right, where you can pick your hues. The toolbox on the left holds brushes and fill tools. Understanding these basic areas is your first step to bringing your artwork to life with vibrant colors. We'll cover selecting and applying colors with ease. Now, let's dive into applying color. For large, solid areas, the fill tool is your best friend. Just click to fill. For more intricate details and shading, the brush tool offers incredible versatility. Krita provides over 100 brush presets, allowing for a wide range of textures and effects. Don't forget to experiment with blending modes in the Layers panel to achieve unique visual results. To begin, you will need to subscribe to a cloud gaming service that includes Red Alert 3 in its library. Once subscribed, download the service's official application from the Google Play Store onto your Android device. For the best gameplay experience, we highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth game controller, as touch controls are often inadequate for complex real-time strategy games like this one. To truly elevate your coloring, remember these pro tips. Always organize your layers by naming them clearly. This saves a lot of time later. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, will significantly improve your control and understanding of color. Finally, don't hesitate to use real-world reference images for color inspiration and to study how light and shadow interact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.